Who says you need dollars to look expensive? Today we're spilling secrets, thrift flips, genius dupes, and hacks to fake it till you make it. Let's go! Step 1. Thrift flips are your superpower. Hunt for structured pieces, blazers, trousers, coats. A $5 thrifted blazer plus new buttons equals instant Chanel vibes. Pro tip, look for natural fabrics like wool or silk. They scream luxury. Step 2, dupe the rich girl aesthetic. Brands like Zara, H&M, and Amazon are packed with designer-inspired pieces. That Bottega Veneta bag? Nah, it's a $30 dupe. Just avoid obvious logos. Subtlety is key. Step 3, DIY your way to glam. Turn a $2 thrifted necklace into gold with spray paint. Use nail polish to fix chipped shoes. Scarf on your bag. Instant Hermes energy. Creativity greater than cash. Step 4, glow up for under $10. Hydrated skin and clean nails cost nothing. Use coffee grounds as a free exfoliator. And that salon blowout? Learn to curl your hair with a straightener. YouTube tutorials are free. 5, own it. Posture and confidence make any outfit look expensive. Walk slower, smile like you're on a yacht, and pretend your thrifted coat is cashmere. Spoiler, no one will know the difference. Final tip, shop smart. Thrift online with Depop or ThredUP. For dupes, AliExpress has designer sunglasses for $8, and ASOS, a goldmine for celeb-inspired looks. Save your coins, queen. Remember, style isn't about money, it's about creativity. Drop your best thrift flip in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Go slay on that budget.